Hey, welcome back guys. This is BMW Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we are working on a 2002 BMW 325i. This is the four-door sedan, and we are going to focus mostly on the general module. It's located behind the glove box. I am going to remove the general module, and I am going to report back what is working and what is not working. The first connection, you got to slide this side cover to the right, pops out. The other two pretty straightforward. There's a usually it's the clip sits here. You got to press this middle button in the center, press it, and this clip should slide out and the connector should slide out. Very important to notice too when you're buying a general module to ensure that it's going to work in your car properly. Look at the part number. This one is 6923960. Go online and look for a similar part number, and you shouldn't have any issues with it. Okay, let's see what happens. Put the key in second position. Let's see if the regulators get affected by this, and they actually do. I'm trying to roll down my regulators and they don't work. This seat still works. The driver's seat still goes forward and backwards. We had done another video. The issues that the convertible had was the radio didn't work, the seats didn't move forward and backwards, and I believe their blinker, well, see, this one works, theirs didn't. So it's that I believe it's going to be different on a convertible and a sedan module. A sedan model. All right, moonroof works, the horn works, windows won't go down, and your locks won't work. The other thing that doesn't work are your interior lights. So see, these don't turn on. Now maybe when your module goes out, one part of the module will work and the other part won't work, which means you might have a faulty module and still be able to move your windows up and down. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, please let us know, and be sure to subscribe for future videos and hit that like button. That'll really help us out. Thank you for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Take care.